Today, we will discuss 15 ways that you can help your memory by making simple changes in your life. So if you are concerned about your memory or you just want to improve it, these are the things that you need to know. Many people worry about their memory as they get older, and it's natural to want to keep our memories sharp as we age. But what can we do to make that happen? Is there anything that we can do to improve our memory? Well, yes. There are many things that you can do to help improve your memory, and we will discuss them in this video. If you are new here, welcome. We bring you the latest in brain health and neuroscience research, so please subscribe to our channel. Let's start with Number 1, use mnemonic devices. Mnemonic devices are very useful to remember things. This is something that everybody can use, not only seniors. If you need to remember something important, try using acronyms, rhymes, or other memory aids. For example, the first letter of each word in a sentence can form an acronym to help you remember that sentence. There are many books on this topic which are available on Amazon. You can also find plenty of articles online. So this is one easy way to improve your memory. 2. Get enough sleep. Most people realize that getting enough sleep is important for their overall health, but many don't realize how important it is for their memory. Studies have shown that people who get enough sleep do much better on memory tasks than those who don't. In fact, getting enough sleep may be one of the most powerful things you can do to improve your memory. So what is enough sleep? It really depends on the individual, but most adults need between 7 and 8 hours of sleep per night. Of course, some people need more, and some need less. However, if you are struggling with your memory, it is important to get as much sleep as you need in order to function at your best. 3. Exercise regularly. Exercise has been shown to improve both physical and mental health. In fact, exercise is one of the most powerful things you can do to improve your overall health, including your memory. Exercise improves blood flow to the brain, which can help you think more clearly and remember things more easily. It also helps to reduce stress and improve sleep, both of which can positively impact your memory. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. 4. Challenge your mind. One of the best ways to keep your mind sharp as you age is to challenge it regularly. This could involve learning a new language, playing brain games, doing crossword puzzles, or anything else that requires you to think creatively and critically. By challenging yourself mentally, you are helping to strengthen the connections between your brain cells, which can improve your memory and cognitive function. 5. Eat a healthy diet. The food that you eat has a major impact on your overall health, including your memory. Eating a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein can help improve blood flow to the brain and provide the nutrients necessary for optimal cognitive function. On the other hand, eating a diet high in saturated and trans fats has been shown to negatively impact memory. So what should you eat to improve your memory? Focus on eating foods that are high in antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamins B6 and B12. Antioxidants help protect your brain cells from damage, while omega-3 fatty acids and vitamins B6 and B12 are essential for optimal cognitive function. Some excellent sources of these nutrients include salmon, avocados, walnuts, and spinach. 6. Stay socially active. Staying socially active is another great way to keep your mind sharp as you age. Social interaction stimulates your mind and helps you think more clearly and remember things more easily. It also helps to reduce stress and keep you mentally engaged, both of which can positively impact your memory. So make sure to stay in touch with friends and family as you age. Make plans to meet up with them on a regular basis and participate in social activities. 7. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is a form of meditation that has been shown to have a variety of benefits, including improving memory. When you practice mindfulness, you focus your attention on the present moment, without judgment. This can help clear your mind and improve your concentration, both of which can make it easier to remember things. Additionally, mindfulness has been shown to reduce stress and improve sleep, both of which can positively impact your memory. No. 8. Learn new things. As mentioned before, challenging your mind is a great way to improve your memory. One way to do this is by learning new things. Learning new things helps to stimulate your mind and keep it active, which can help improve your memory. It also helps to build new connections between your brain cells, which can enhance cognitive function. So make sure to take some time each day to learn something new, whether it is a new skill, hobby, or subject matter. No. 9. Manage stress. Effectively, chronic stress can have a negative impact on your memory. When you are constantly stressed out, your body produces high levels of cortisol, a hormone that has been shown to impair memory. This is why it is important to find healthy ways to manage stress, such as exercise, yoga, or meditation. By managing your stress levels, you can help protect your memory and improve your overall well-being. Number 10. Break tasks into smaller steps. Breaking tasks into smaller steps is a great way to improve your memory, especially if you are already struggling with remembering things. When you break down a task into smaller steps, it is easier to remember what you need to do. This is because your brain does not have to hold as much information at once. For example, if you need to buy milk, eggs, and bread at the grocery store, you could break that task into 3 smaller steps. Step 1, go to the store. Step 2, go to the dairy aisle and pick up the milk. Step 3, go to the bakery aisle and pick up the bread. By breaking the task down into smaller steps, you make it much easier to remember what you need to do. Number 11. Write things down. Writing things down is another great way to improve your memory. When you write something down, you are creating a physical record of that information. This can help you remember it more easily later on. In fact, writing has been shown to improve memory recall by as much as 25%. So make sure to keep a notebook handy at all times. That way you can jot down important information as needed. This can be especially helpful if you are trying to remember something important or if you need to complete a task that requires multiple steps. Number 12. Use visual aids. Using visual aids is another great way to improve your memory. Visual aids such as pictures, diagrams, and maps can help you remember information more easily. This is because your brain processes visual information very quickly and efficiently. In fact, studies have shown that people who use visual aids are able to remember information for up to 60% longer, so make sure to use visual aids whenever possible. This can be especially helpful when learning new things or trying to remember a lot of information. No. 13. Take care of your physical health. Taking care of your physical health is essential for maintaining a strong memory. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate sleep are all important for keeping your memory sharp. In addition, it is important to avoid risky behaviors such as smoking and excessive alcohol consumption. These habits can damage your brain and impair your memory. So if you want to improve your memory, make sure to take care of your body. No. 14. Avoid alcohol abuse. Alcohol abuse is a leading cause of memory problems. Excessive alcohol consumption damages brain cells and impairs your ability to remember things. In fact, studies have shown that people who abuse alcohol have significantly worse memory recall than those who do not. If you are abusing alcohol, it is important to seek help. There are a number of resources available to help you stop drinking, such as Alcoholics Anonymous and the Substance Abuse and Mental Health Services Administration. No. 15. Stay mentally active. Staying mentally active is perhaps the most important thing you can do to improve your memory. This means keeping your mind sharp by engaging in activities that challenge you mentally. This could include anything from playing brain games to solving puzzles to reading. By keeping your mind active, you are helping to strengthen the connections between your brain cells. This can help improve your memory and cognitive function. So make sure to take some time each day to engage in mentally stimulating activities. This could be as simple as sitting down for 10 or 20 minutes and working on a puzzle or playing a brain game. Or you could read a book, learn a new language, or take a class. Anything that challenges your mind will help to improve your memory. So there you have it. 15 ways that you can help your memory by making simple changes in your life. If you are concerned about your memory, please talk to your doctor. They can help you determine if there are any underlying medical conditions that need to be ruled out and can also refer you to a specialist if necessary. In addition, there are a number of resources available online and in communities that can provide support and guidance if you are struggling with your memory. Remember, there is no shame in asking for help. It is important to take care of yourself and your loved ones, so please reach out for help if you need it.